Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off menu sound or remote key press sound. First you go to settings, then select system, then go down and select system sounds. Right now it's on. Let me turn off. Press select button on the remote. Okay, done. So now I have disabled menu sound. So this way we can disable menu sound. If we want to enable, again go to settings, then go to system, then go down and select system sounds, then press select button on the remote. See, now I have enabled menu sound. So this way we can disable or enable menu sound in this Google TV.